All right, hi, this is Josh with Dream Body Clinic. This is episode 36 of DBC Diaries, and I'm here with returning patients, Eric and Vicki. Thanks for coming back. And I think last time you were here, was it like a year ago?
Yep.
Yeah, and you came with Travis. He does chiropractor work up there in Boise, right?
Correct.
Been coming to us for a long time, and I mean, it's been so nice to bring all of you and so many other people. It's been pretty awesome. We work with a lot of really good chiropractors. You know, they can get people really far with stuff, but when it comes to the tissue regeneration, that's where we usually come in.
That's the next step. Yep.
And I think that was the case with you, right, Eric? Like your knee was hurting you, and what was going on?
Yep. Had a meniscus tear, almost complete tear in it, and then some small fractures in the bone. And had you guys inject it last year. And pretty much 6 weeks to the day, I was skiing in the backcountry in some pretty big mountains with 20 inches of new snow, pain-free for the first time in 3 years. So very happy about all that. It was a great trip and a great experience. And yeah, the knee's still doing great.
So you got to really enjoy the new powder, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Nothing better than that.
No. Live for those days.
All right, so we did the knee. We also did the IV.
Yes.
Yeah, that one can be a little tougher to quantify because it's more an anti-aging thing. But did you notice anything with it? Or
I did. I noticed that I was getting arthritis in my right hand just from working all my life and stuff pretty bad. And that's pretty much completely gone.
Oh, wow.
I can work all day and use my strength and stuff now without any issues. It doesn't hurt. My sleep is definitely better. Okay. I think my brain actually works a little bit better too nowadays. Just kind of those little aches and pains that you have all over just have subsided, and I just feel better.
Good. Yeah, good. Well, man, that is so awesome.
Yeah, it's been very awesome. Yeah, as much as we gained and as much as has benefited both Vicki and I last year, this time if it increases from even then yeah. It's just even better yet.
Exactly. Going, right?
Just keep raising the bar. Exactly.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, great. Well, thanks so much for sharing that. Thanks for being back.
Absolutely.
I guess let's talk with Vicki now.
All right, Vicki, welcome back.
Thank you.
How are you feeling?
Gosh, so good. So good. I tell you, we've had our grandchildren. I've got 5 grandchildren.
Okay.
And honestly, for me, I had the IV.
Yeah.
And for me, it has really given me the sense of energy that I can run with my grandkids. You know, I'm not a spring chicken anymore. And so being able to catch up with them and stay up with them has been very, very nice since having the IV. The other thing that I really noticed with Eric and I both is we do a lot of golfing.
Oh, okay.
And we'll do tournaments. But there was times before where I would golf 2 or 3 days in a row, and then I would need 4 or 5 days just to recover. Just to kind of feel good enough to go out and swing again.
Yeah.
And now we can golf in a long weekend tournament, and I'm ready to rock and roll on Monday as well.
That's awesome.
So it's been really good.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I've really enjoyed it. And I still do my workouts, and I tend to recover faster.
That's great.
It's been unbelievable for me and my arthritis.
Oh, good. You were saying there a little less pain in the joints and stuff?
A lot less pain in my joints, a lot less stiffness when I get up in the mornings, and just overall my activities. I'm not a sit-still person.
Got it.
And we do a lot of outdoor activities between camping and fishing and golfing, and it's just been unbelievable what I can do. I do a lot of hiking, can stay up with it.
Okay.
It's been good.
Amazing.
Yeah.
That's great. I mean, you've got to stay active. You know, it's the people that stop being active that have the most problems.
And that's just it. And of course, we retired at the time we did so we could continue to be active and continue to be with our kids and our grandkids. Yeah. And if we can't stay up with them, then we're just going to be,
what do you do?
You know, sitting in a lawn chair doing nothing.
That's no fun.
No. Not at all.
Very cool. Thanks so much for sharing. That'll help some people at home too. And if you've got questions, you want to learn more about stem cells or what we do here at Dream Body Clinic, get a hold of us. You just go to www.dreambody.clinic. You can scroll down on the homepage. All the treatments are listed down below. They got links to info, prices, all of it's there. Or you can call us toll free at 888-704-3977. I'm Josh. Happy to help.